Hey guys, welcome back to another quick video, and in this one I'm gonna show you how to resharpen the blades of a blender. For tools we need some kind of sharpening stone. I have these Lansky stones or like DMT diamond stones. Something like this, a smaller stone that you can bring to the knife. If you're in a pinch, some sandpaper on a stick will do it as well. So at first we need to take out the blades and look at them. Here, if you look on the bottom, your blender should have something like a ring around your blades that you usually need to turn clockwise in order to unlock it, and that releases a gasket and the blades. If you have a very cheap model, it is possible that it's just simply not possible to take the blades out. I have one of those, and yeah, you can't take it out there sadly. Then you need to take a look at the blades itself. If they are like completely bent or there are large chunks missing, if you had something hard in there for example, then you shouldn't resharpen them because they are probably unbalanced now, the blades, and they will quickly ruin the bearings and your whole blender. If it's a more expensive machine, just get a new set of blades in this case. But if it's just old, we can resharpen it very easily. Let's go on to sharpening. Use a very coarse stone. You don't need to like make this a razor edge. And then just look at the blades themselves, how they are ground. You can see there is the bevel, and you just need to follow this bevel that's already ground into the blade. A very thin stone helps here. Here mine has these serrated edges, and these, it's probably easiest to just sharpen them from the backside. Usually I don't advise that, but in this case I don't think it matters that much. And after a few minutes we are done. As you can see, I've switched to the more coarse stone because it was actually very dull, these blades, but now they bite when you run your finger across them, and that's enough that they don't need to be razor sharp. If you have something thin, you can go under the blades to take off the burr. If not, it doesn't matter that much. Just give them a good rinse before you put it back together to get out the grinding dust, and then you're already done. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video and you learned something. If it did help you, then consider subscribing and giving the video a like, and then I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.